So for fixing our problem that whenever we play our game, it's going right and left and doing all of that. That's because this value of change offset always 0.2. So it will go back and forward. But when it's going to close, it is close to the target position, the value of change offset should be at minimum as possible. So it shouldn't be 0.2, it should be value like 0.0001, right? So for doing that, let's just bring all of these to the right so we have some space in here. What I want to do in here, I want to get the distance between the middle of the screen and where our gun is looking at. I want to get the distance between them. And because both of them are in the UI screen and have just X and Y, that's why I'm using distance 2D. We have distance 3D as well, but right now we are in UI screen, so we need to use distance 2D. First of all, what I'm going to do, I want to right click on both of them, split stroke pin like this. So we have all the values in here. And no, first of all, the X, V1X, let's just put this X in here. So let's just get the where our gun is looking at and connect it to here. Let's just do the Y, get it in here, connect it to here. And we want to measure the distance between where our gun is looking at and where our middle of screen is. So let's just get the middle of screen as well, connect it to here. Let's just do it for Y as well. And it will give us a float value. And I want to get the absolute value, okay? Absolute value in here, because we don't need a minus a negative value, right? We need just the distance. So we will check if it is less than, for example, 5. If it is less than 5, let's just use a branch. If it is less than 5, so where our gun is looking at, the distance between where our gun is looking at and the middle of the screen, if it is less than 5, change this value change offset, change it to a really small value, like this, 0.01. And if it is not set value to change offset, bring it back to 0.2, right? So with that, if we run our game, you can see it's not playing with us anymore. Now you can see it will exactly aim at where we are looking at, and everything is cool. You see, everything is cool. Now if we have whatever animation, again it will aim at whatever that our crosshair is aiming at. You can see everything is working fine. And please, if you have any question about this system, please ask me and I will explain it more in depth for you. And you should know that there is other ways to do this kind of stuff as well. For example, when we reach the control rig section of this course, I will show you another way that is easier to do this kind of thing. So to aim where our crosshair is looking at. Know that everything is cool with that. We can go again here to our character blueprint class and tell it to don't draw this debug. Okay, put it on none, and now if we compile and run our game, you can see it is no more beautiful. We have the laser and everything is looking beautiful. Okay, so that was it for Crosshair. Please, 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 if you have a question, just ask me. I will try my best to answer as fast as possible in a video in no time. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much for watching. Believe me, it is my honor to have you here. Bye for now.